Hi there, my name is Scott Rockins. I'm a mortgage broker with Dominion Lending Canada, and I want to take a few minutes of your time today to share one of the professionals I've had the pleasure of working with in the past. So I'm here today with Michelle Filipenko, who's a financial advisor. Thanks for coming today, Michelle.
Thanks for having me, Scott.
And you, in your previous interview, you mentioned that you help people manage risk. And I wonder if you could tell us a little bit about what you mean by that and how you help people do that.
Right. So, the number one thing that people discount is the value of what we might call human capital. So they do not realize that their greatest asset is their ability to earn income.
Oh,
Yeah,
okay.
and also that ability to earn income is directly linked to their ability to save their income.
Well, that makes sense.
Yeah.
So when you're saying human capital potential, you're really talking about my ability to earn money and take some of that money and save it.
Exactly.
Okay.
Yeah, and the reason that's important is if something unforeseen were to happen, such as a disability, a
Yeah.
heart attack, stroke, or a financial emergency, such as an unexpected job loss,
Yeah.
it could significantly impact your ability to earn income.
Right.
And therefore it could lead to the erosion of your human capital potential, which is the erosion of your savings, your potentially to save in the future.
Right.
Yeah.
So, I mean, there are a lot of different situations, of course, that applies to.
Mm-hmm.
And even if you have a really good plan for building up your assets,
Right.
a bad thing can really derail you.
Mm-hmm.
So
Yeah, well, what happens is, in the past, grandparents, in previous generations, they would save first and spend last. Well, now people are really spending first and saving last. So
yeah,
what
that's true.
happens is, basically, a lot of people come to me and they say, well, if something were to happen, I'm fine. I've got savings, I've got a line of credit. Well, you have to look at the big picture. If something were to happen, of course everyone's different, but understand that maybe you might be, you might look at how if you are just relying on your debt
Yeah.
to save you, you could erode that thing we call human capital
Wait a minute here.
potential.
I sell debt for a living. Did you know that? I sell
Yes.
debt. You're talking them out of it.
Well, there is
So-
good debt.
There's good debt and bad debt. Absolutely.
Exactly.
Absolutely. And if your plan is to fall back on your debt in an emergency, you still have to get out of that debt after,
Exactly.
right?
And-
Yeah.
Exactly.
Yeah.
And one of the things that we do too with clients is you look at how good debt can help you. Again,
Right.
prepare for the future, because there are ways that you can leverage things like that. You can maximize
That's true.
your use
Yeah.
of debt, right?
Yeah.
So,
Yeah. Okay, so that's excellent. It's a lot of information about how you can help people manage their risk.
Yeah.
And thanks for explaining that to us today. And thanks for watching our video. And there'll be more to this interview in future posts. So stay tuned. Thanks
Thanks.
today. Thanks today. Thanks for joining me today. Let's do that again.
Yeah.